Hi, welcome back to Latina AI Lab. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create TikTok Shop affiliate videos and how to sell clothes or whatever it is that you want to sell. But I'm going to focus on clothes in this video because it is the easiest thing to get right with AI. So if you want to learn how to create videos such as these, stay tuned. I am going to show you how. So the first thing you want to do is head on to Pinterest and you're going to get inspiration from here. This is where I get my inspiration from. So if you want to create an avatar, if you don't have one, the person is going to be selling the clothes for you. Or if you want to clone yourself, if you want to make an AI twin of yourself, you just go ahead and do that. But I'm going to show you how to get inspiration from Pinterest and how to create an avatar from an image. So I'm going to go Latina influencer, and let's see what comes up. And then whichever one you see that you like, you're just gonna download this image. Like her, she's very pretty. Her there. Make sure that it's a good photo of what you want. And then you're gonna go to ChatGPT, of course. You're gonna upload your images like I did here, and all you're gonna say is describe this image, and it's gonna describe the image for you. And whatever platform you're using, if it's Flow, if it's Google Gemini, um, Midjourney, whatever it is, tell ChatGPT to write a prompt. After they describe it, take that description and ask it to write a prompt for whatever platform you're using it for. So for me, I did it for Google Flow. All right, so you're gonna take that prompt that they give you. Here's the prompt: Google Flow image prompt. You're gonna copy that whole entire thing, just like this. Copy, and you're gonna go on to Flow, create a new project. You're gonna go down here. Now they just updated Flow, so it's a little different. If you haven't used it in a while, or if you've never used it at all, right here where it says Nano Banana 2, you want to click on there, and you're gonna select image. You're gonna select the size you want. If you want portrait or landscape, I want portrait because of course we're creating an influencer for TikTok Shop. How many image you want it to give you, and then what do you want to use? Do you want to use the Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, or Imagine 4? I'm going to go with Nano Banana 2 because that is the latest update. So that is the best one to use. And as you can see, it's going to charge you 0 credits. Flow doesn't charge you for images. It does charge you for videos. It's like, here it says 40 because I picked for 2. But if you only want one video, it's going to charge you 20 credits. This is just so you know. But we're not going to create the videos here. We're going to create the videos with Grok because it's free. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to paste my prompt here, and I'm going to hit generate. And here's what it gives us. Click on the images, download them if you need to so you can look at them better. And whichever one you like the most is the one you're going to download. And that is the image that you're going to use from now on to create your TikTok Shop videos. And I'm going to show you how to change her appearance or how to change what she is wearing. Simply just go ahead and download 2K because it's going to upscale it when you do 2K. And you're going to go back to ChatGPT. You're going to start a new chat. And you're going to upload that image that you just downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and grab it from my downloads. This is the one. I'm just going to drag it in here. I'm going to leave it there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decide what do I want to promote. So if you have any ideas of what you want to promote, you go ahead and you go into your TikTok Shop. You search for whatever it is that you want to make videos on. And you can literally, it makes it so simple for you. If I'm on my computer, so I can't show you this. But if you go on your phone and you go to your TikTok Shop, and you click on whichever outfit you want to promote, you can literally take that image that you just generated from Flow and make that your model. And inside of TikTok Shop, you can AI is gonna put the clothes that you want on your avatar. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna show you from my mobile device. You just want to go to shop. You're gonna pick whatever outfit you want to promote, and right there where it says try on, right on the right hand side on the bottom, just click there, upload, gallery, and then grab the image of your avatar, and it's literally gonna put her in the outfit that you want her to be in. It is that simple using the TikTok shop on your mobile. So I'm gonna screenshot this, I'm gonna crop it, okay, and I'm going to send this to myself back to my MacBook. So I'm just gonna airdrop it to my MacBook, and I'm gonna go ahead. If I want, I can um, delete the background if I wanted to. I can add another background if I wanted to using Canva, but I'm just gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna take it back to ChatGPT. So that's one way of doing it. You can just literally go into the app, try on the clothes with your avatar. Um, then you take that image that we just cropped and sent over to the computer, which is this one right here. You can take it into Canva. You can remove the background, add your own background, add her to wherever you want her to be, or you just give ChatGPT the instructions of where she should be. I'm going to show you that as well. Just bear with me. But this is the first step into creating your avatar for TikTok Shop. I'm going to close out of here, and I'm going to show you the next step. So now this is another way that you can get her to wear the clothes that you want her to wear. You just take an image, or you take a screenshot of the outfit that you want from TikTok Shop. You upload it to um, ChatGPT along with your avatar. So the avatar will go first, and then the picture of the outfit. So you go and you grab your outfit image. All right, so I want to put it in this outfit, so I'm going to drag this one in here. And all I'm going to say is, can you please have her wear the dress in the second image, or something like that, you know? And you upload it. And it's going to start creating the image for you. All right, so here she is wearing that dress. And what you're going to do is, as you can see, it kept the same background and everything, but you can change that later if you wanted to before you create your videos, or as you're creating your videos using ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT is going to write the scripts for you. ChatGPT is going to write the descriptions and the captions and the on-screen hooks, everything for you. All you have to do is ask it, and it will literally do it for you. So you want to download this image. I'm going to go back to one that I already have set up, which is this one. This is where I've been creating all of my um, videos and descriptions for it. As you can see, these are all descriptions that I just asked for it to create for me for the next set of videos that I'm going to be uploading soon. And then here are the scripts. And this is what the scripts looks like. And I'm going to show you exactly what I wrote for it to give me the scripts. So you're going to take an image of all of the outfits that you are going to be making videos for, and you're going to upload them to ChatGPT, and you're going to say exactly what it says here. Can you write scripts for all of these outfits for TikTok Shop, 45 seconds or less, and make sure that they are scroll stopping and viral material to make sure they sell. Also give me camera movements such as pan, zoom, dolly, tilt, handheld feel, etc. Also put her in different settings in her home. I'll be generating videos with Grok AI. And as you can see, I'm telling it where I'm going to take these prompts to so it can know exactly how to write them. And then it did just that. It gave me all of the script and the home setting is up here. The camera movements, which you'll see that is along with the script, is what I like as well. And I'm going to show you how I go about getting the videos. Because remember, Grok is a 6-second video generation. So you're going to have to make multiple videos using this script, at least 3 to 4 videos. And then you're going to put them all together using CapCut to create one video. So we're going to go over to Grok. We're going to take the image that was that we generated. In my case, I'm going to be using this outfit here, the burgundy one shoulder formal evening gown. Even though I already did all this, I'm just going to show you again. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Grok and you're going to click on Imagine. Right here where the little icon for the photo is, you're going to drag your image in there, or you're going to open this up and look for it this way. But all you have to do is drag it. That's the easiest way. You take your image, you drag it in. Now Grok is something else that has been updated, so you gotta make sure that you go here, the little icon with the pencil is, and make sure you put make video. And then you're gonna go back to ChatGPT. You're gonna grab the home setting, command copy, go back to Grok, paste it here, go back to ChatGPT before you start generating, and grab the first couple of sentences here. So I'm gonna grab this, command copy. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna paste it, and then I'm going to make sure that I back up a little bit here like this, pan up. And usually what I do is I say dialogue. You can either write dialogue or you could say she says, so it knows that she's speaking. Because sometimes it won't do the dialogue. It will just make a video without no dialogue. So she says, just like that. And then you're just gonna hit generate and wait for it to create the video.
Hold on, this looks red carpet. Look at the ruching. It smooths and defines your waist instantly. Hold on, this looks...
Do you guys see that? I was about to curse. That is amazing. It literally did everything that I prompted it to do. From the home setting to everything. And then it says zoom waist, so it's zoomed in on
red
her
carpet.
waist.
Look at the ruching. It smooths and defines your waist instantly.
All right, so you're just going to continue to do this. And you're going to go back to ChatGPT. You're going to grab the next lines, copy that, go back to Grok, and right here, I'm going to select all this right here in between and paste my new script. I'm going to push back so it's not so far away from each other, like that. And then right here, I'm going to write she says again. Wherever there's quotation marks, that is what she's going to be saying. So I like to put she says in front of that so it knows that she needs to speak. And then hit generate. Oh, before I do all that, I forgot. You have to download it first. So make sure you download that first video you created. Download it. And then hit generate on the next set of sentences she's going to be saying.
One shoulder neckline with built-in support, and this long, elegant drape down the side. One shoulder neckline with built-in support, and this long one.
And you do the same thing again. You download this video, then you go back to ChatGPT, grab the next thing she's going to say. Whoops. So copy this, go back to Grok. Right here, from this point on, I'm going to delete this, paste this, push forward, she says, and then hit generate again.
It adds drama without trying too hard. Perfect for galas, weddings, formal dinners, or special nights. It adds drama. It adds.
All right, download that one. And then the last thing is one last thing that she's going to say. I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to hit generate. And then we're going to take these 4 videos that we just created and we're going to put them together. And then we're going to ask ChatGPT to write our captions, our hashtags, our on-screen hooks, and whatever else you need.
If you have an event coming up, don't wait. Tap the link before your size sells out. If you have an event coming up, don't. You have an event coming.
Now, you see, that was kind of silly what she just did there. And if you don't like how that turned out, all you have to do is hit regenerate and it's going to redo it again. You could give it more instructions if you need to.
Coming up, don't wait. Tap the link before your size sells out. If you have.
So I'm just going to hit regenerate.
If.
Sometimes it gets it 100% perfectly, and sometimes it just goes off script and it does something really crazy. Grok is like that. It's hilarious what it does sometimes. Like, I should make bloopers on the type of videos that it creates for me because it's like off script. Like, what the hell are you thinking about, Grok?
If you have an event coming up, don't wait. Tap the link before your size sells out.
So much better.
If you have an event
That
coming up,
was perfect.
if you have an event coming.
So I'm going to download this one. All right, download it. I'm going to go to my downloads. As you can see, all of my videos are here, all 4 videos. You can open up CapCut here on your computer, or you can do it from your phone. Either way, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go here, CapCut, since I'm already here. Open up CapCut. I'm going to create a new 916 for TikTok Shop. I'm going to go ahead and drag these videos in. There's 2 of them. Drag your videos in here, and then the next 2, which is these 2 right here, we'll drag them in here, and then we're gonna fix them here in the timeline. Go back to the beginning. Here you want to stretch this out, so as you can see it's not stretched out all the way, so you want to click on the first clip and just drag it from this little part right here. Right, there we go. So just drag it from corner to corner so it can fit nicely, just like that. And then click on the next one. Do the same thing. Drag it out. And then in between each clip, you can add a transition so it could flow a little nicer. So just click on add transition, and I usually do dissolve. I like dissolve. If you can find it on here, I swear I like using CapCut on my phone. On the computer, it's a little confusing to me. So whichever one is easier for you, I advise you to do that. Or if you use anything else, you can use, once you add your transition, you just click on whichever one you want, and you go here and you make it at least 0.1 seconds long. You don't want it to be too long, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like.
Instantly.
You see that?
One shoulder
It was
neckline
quick.
with built-in support.
Then you do the same thing
It
here.
adds drama.
Add a transition. Put it to 0.1, and then again here, and then bring it down, and that is it. Your video is ready. And all you have to do is download it or export it from here. And then I'm going to show you what the next step will be to get your captions and your descriptions and stuff like that. I usually just do it right here on the same chat where I created the scripts. All you want to say is, can you please write on-screen hooks, captions, descriptions, and 5 hashtags for all of these outfits. Make sure that it is SEO optimized. So it's going to know exactly what you're talking about because you just created scripts for these outfits, right? So you hit generate, and it's going to give you the on-screen hook. It's going to give you the caption. It's going to give you the description, and it's going to give you the hashtags for every single outfit that you have created scripts for. And that is basically it. That is how I go about creating TikTok shop videos for my avatar. If you have any questions, if any of this was confusing, please let me know in the comments. If you want me to make another video showing a little better step by step on how I go about doing all this, I'm talking about from start to finish, to uploading the videos to TikTok shop, to adding the product to your TikTok shop video, let me know and I'll be happy to bring that to you. But otherwise, please make sure you like and you share this and also subscribe to see more videos such as these. And I will see you in the next one.